Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. What a special occasion for me to be here today to share with you about the topic 10 key sounds. Okay, so now let's start. T, time, hat, d, do, dog, hand, yeah, yes, you, young, dr, reach, drain, red, she, English, show, television, vision, decision, chat, watch, choose, June, job, change, think, thanks, Thursday, this, that, then. Okay, that's all about my sharing. Thank you so much for your attention. Goodbye.